Ndị Igbo biko kirie na ihe onyonyo a na ọ dị egwu. Ọ dị egwu.
You see what is going on here? This guy is opening this chemical. And you may be thinking that he's using the chemical to go and kill some insects elsewhere. But you're going to see where he's going to apply it very soon. This is actually going to be applied on beans that we eat. And most of these beans are being taken to the southern part of the country. And this is not good. The beans we eat in this part of the country, direct from the farm, no chemical, but you see the way he's applying it, and it's very dangerous to our health. So we should be careful when eating beans.
See, if you are wondering whether there is a link between the high rate of kidney failure in Igbo, the answer is yes. Yes. Ndị Igbo buy beans and other grains from the north because that is where a large percentage of our grains are produced. Before these grains get to our market, they are often stored for many months. During the storage, some farmers and grain merchants use chemicals to prevent insects like weevils from destroying the grains. During storage, some farmers and grain merchants use chemicals to prevent insects like weevils from destroying the grains. Some grain merchants reportedly use harmful insecticides, including DDVP, to prevent grains, especially beans, so that weevils do not infest them. Beans these days. Beans. The Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) does not recommend the use of DDVP as a preventive treatment for protecting stored food from insect infestation. DDVP is an organophosphate insecticide, and its primary toxic effects involve the nervous system. However, severe poisoning can also affect other organs, including the kidney. Exposure to high levels of DDVP can lead to acute kidney injury, worsen pre-existing kidney disease, and cause indirect kidney damage in severe cases. This is also one of the reasons why some food products fail to meet export standards. You cannot export food contaminated with harmful levels of toxic chemicals to countries with strict food safety regulations, such as the United States. Indeed, but we need to embrace aggressive investment in agriculture, especially grain production. Our Anam brothers in Anambra are already leading in yam cultivation. But what about essential grains like rice, beans, soybeans, millet, and sorghum? Ndị Igbo have vast fertile land and hardworking farmers. Ebonyi has become well known for rice production, while Enugu and Anambra are also making significant progress in agriculture. But we can do much more. Imagine if we also become major producers of beans, millet, sorghum, maize, and other essential grains. We would create more jobs, strengthen food security, reduce our dependence on supplies from other regions, and help stabilize food prices. Agriculture is not just about feeding ourselves. It is about creating wealth, improving public health, and building a stronger economy. Whether you are from the north, south, east, or west, every Nigerian deserves food that is safe, healthy, and free from harmful chemicals. Food safety should never become a tribal issue. It is a national issue that concerns every family. The government, food regulators, farmers, traders, and consumers all have a role to play in ensuring that the food on our table is safe. A healthy nation begins with safe food. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM